Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, DTI installed and the Penguin Asset Pack ready. Open a 512 by 512 canvas and set the grid to 32 pixels so proportions stay consistent. Once done, import your reference sprite and a 6-color palette to limit shading complexity. Next, block in a basic silhouette using a hard round brush. Keep shapes simple to define head, body, flippers, and beak. Make sure to save iterations. You refine the silhouette with symmetry enabled so both sides match, then switch to a softer brush for organic curves. Once the form is solid, lay down midtones across the body, then add 2 levels of shadows and 1 highlight to suggest volume. This 3-level approach reads well at small sizes. Make sure to keep the beak, belly, and eyes on separate layers for non-destructive edits. If accessories are planned, sketch them now. You can tweak placement without wrecking the base art. You finalize by flattening only visible copies and exporting a PNG with transparency at the required resolution. Before export, perform a palette check on average and dark backgrounds to confirm the penguin reads clearly. Adjust contrast or saturation as needed. If edges look jagged, increase anti-aliasing or redraw key curves on a higher resolution layer and downscale. If proportions look off, revert to your saved iteration and nudge shapes. Keeping iterations prevents wasted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.